students, welcome to lesson 1. In lesson 1 we are going to focus on right angled triangles. So you can get this topic in a textbook, that is Cambridge Checkpoint book 1. Now let us see what the things that we are going to achieve in this lesson. So these are objectives. So you'll be able to use a ruler and the compasses to construct a triangle. You know how to construct triangles using a protractor, but now you'll be able to use a ruler and the compasses to construct a triangle given a right angle, hypotenuse, and one side. So in short, we just write RHS. R stands for right angle, H stands for hypotenuse, and S side. That means you'll be given 3 things. 1, right angle, 2, hypotenuse, and another side, which is the third one. Now, let us look at the key terms. These are the words that you are going to find in this lesson, so you have to know them. So the first one, we have perpendicular. When we say that these lines are perpendicular to each other, it means that they are at a right angle. They cross each other and they form angles that are 90 degrees. So they are at a right angle. And then the second one is hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is the longest side that is opposite to the right angle. Okay, the longest side that is opposite to the right angle. Now let us have a look. Here we have a right angled triangle with some parts. Now here we have a hypotenuse side opposite with the right angle. That is the longest side. We call it hypotenuse. And then we have base length, the line which is below the hypotenuse. And we have another line which is the vertical line. So we have vertical line and horizontal line. All these lines are perpendicular sides, or these lines are at the right angle to each other. And the vertical line, or the vertical side, and the horizontal side meet and they form a right angle which is 90 degrees. So whenever you see that box, that square at the corner there, wherever you see that one, just know that that angle is 90 degrees and that is a right angle. Now let us focus on how to construct a right angled triangle. So there is a number of things that you need to use. So the first one, we have a ruler. So you are going to use a ruler for drawing lines. And the second one, you need a compass for drawing arcs. Okay, for drawing arcs, you know how to draw arcs. So when you're constructing a right angled triangle, there is a number of steps that you need to follow. So let us see the worked example. This example is in your textbook. So if you have a textbook, you can just check this. So the question is, construct the right angled triangle ABC, where the length AB is equal to 6 centimeters and the hypotenuse BC is equal to 11 centimeters. So here we have been given 3 things. 1, the right angle, which is 90 degrees, and then line or the length AB, and the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, BC, which is 11 centimeters. So how can we draw this right angled triangle? Now, so the first step is to use a ruler. You have rulers. So draw a line longer than 6 centimeters. So this line can be 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, it doesn't matter. And then mark off a 0 centimeter length and label it AB. That means you are going to use the same ruler. The first one, you just draw the line of any length, and then use that ruler to measure 6 centimeter. That is from 0 to 6. So where there is 0, just mark, and where there is 6, mark. So it means that that distance from 0 to 6 is the line AB. That means from A to B is equal to 6 centimeter. So the second one is to open the pair of compasses to about 2 centimeter. This issue, we did it in class to make sure that the distance between the compass point and the pencil is 2 centimeter. So you just open your compass and use a ruler. The compass point should be placed on 0, and then open that compass. Make sure that the pencil, the pencil is placed on what? On 2, so that the distance should be 2 centimeter. That is, place the compass point on A and mark 2 arcs on the line on either side of point A. So have you seen where A is? There we are going to place the compass point on A, and then just draw an arc. Make sure that the arc has intersected the line, the line AB, that is on the right hand side of what? Of A, and draw another arc on the left hand side of what? Of A. Okay, make sure that those arcs intersect the line AB. And then the next step is open the compasses further to about 4 centimeter. So make sure that the distance between the compass point and the pencil is 4 centimeter. Then place the compass point on the intersection of the line and one of these small arcs, and draw another arc above A. So here what you should do is to place the compass point on the arc which is on the right side of A. Just place the compass point there and draw an arc on top of A, and then place again the compass point on the arc which is on the left side of A, and then draw another arc on top of A. Make sure that these arcs meet, or make sure that these two arcs intersect each other. So the point at which these two arcs meet, it's where we are going to mark it as a point. So keeping the same radius, place the point on the intersection of the line with the other small arc and draw another arc above A. Make sure that it intersects the first one. So you can see that the two arcs have been intersected. They have met. Okay. Now the next step, let us go to the second page. Using a ruler, draw a line from point A through the intersection of the two arcs. This line is perpendicular to AB, so the point C will be on it. As we are not told the length of AC, extend the line beyond the intersection of the two arcs. So let's see there. The line has joined the point A and where those arcs above A have intersected. So just draw a line, just use a ruler to join those points. Now let's go to the next step. The hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. So you can see that the line which has been drawn joining the point where two arcs meet and the point A, with the line AB, they have formed an angle which is right angle, 90 degrees. So the hypotenuse is a line which is opposite to what? Opposite to the right angle. Now the next step is to say that the hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. Open the compasses to 11 centimeter. Remember, in our question, we have been given that the hypotenuse AB is equal to 11 centimeter. So open, make sure that the distance between the compass point and the pencil is 11 centimeter for us to draw the hypotenuse. So you are going to place the compass point on B and then draw an arc. Make sure that that arc intersects the what? Intersects the line which has joined the point where the first two arcs meet and the point A. So label the point of say intersection C. Use a ruler to draw the line BC. This completes the triangle ABC. As you can see there, we have a complete triangle. That is a right angled triangle, and how we can draw that using a ruler and compass. Now let's go to exercise. So here we have several questions. The question says, construct the following right-angled triangles using only a ruler and a pair of compasses. For each triangle, measure accurately the length of the third side. So you can see the right-angled triangles have been drawn there from 1 to 4. So what you should do here is to draw the same shapes in your exercise books. That means you are going to use a ruler. For example, number 1, the side XY is 9 centimeter. So use that and then follow the steps until you come up with complete right angled triangles. So if you have a question, so just ask me, then I'm going to help you.